Welcome and very good morning to all of you. I'm your guide, your friend, as well as multi-asset trading and investment specialist SD Shanando Das. Now you can come down to my website and we'll discuss a little more about myself. हम लोग काफी दिन हो गए नहीं मिल पाए. I went to a little bit of vacation. I was not I went outside India. So when I'm vacationing, largely I'm not available via these video conference or webinar or video as you like to call it. यहाँ पे these are my social footprints where you can check out my different social media pages, YouTube, X, special WhatsApp channel, multi-asset trading, investing, Facebook, and I'm becoming more and more active in Facebook. Offerings, I have multi-asset trading with Rainbow. This I'm associated with Elon Markets. You can connect them or you can go through via my website as you see fit. Workshop Option Master. There's two workshop I held for free. I think next one I'm gonna hold for stocks. And I regularly hold now the Sunday stock storm. Last one was held 18th of May. Last Sunday I did not do it as I said I was vacationing outside. But now I'm back in full force. But the way I trade, my vacationing outside does not bother my style of trading as I look at more longer term picture, don't look at for point to point fluctuations. उसके उतना स्मॉल पार्टिसिपेशन के अलावा भी हम लोग प्रॉपर रिस्क मैनेजमेंट के साथ वी कैन पार्टिसिपेट इन मच बिगर मूव. सो मुझे बिगर मूव चाहिए, छोटा छोटा मूव मुझे नहीं चाहिए. सो फर्स्ट आई एम गोना टेक अ लुक एट निफ्टी. एंड निफ्टी में आप लोग जानते हैं आई प्रेफर आइदर द लाइन और द मेरा स्पेशलाइज्ड कैंडल चार्ट. So as per our line, it's bullish. Nifty is very much bullish. Dow structure is bullish. I'll not practice the Dow structure right now. I don't need the line chart. Largely, कुछ लोगों को confusion होता है, इसीलिए I've kept the chart. I want to look at the risk master. So risk master के under I'm going to choose the risk master setup, and I'm going to switch it on, make it large, make it wide, and now see the reading. I see significantly these are the overall asset class on equity. This is cool. ठंडा है, शांत है. This is good for growth, equity growth. Sustained turmoil risk मतलब बहुत दिनों तक and बहुत deep correction ऐसा कुछ risk वैसा भी नहीं दिख रहा है. India related risk master slightly on the higher side. Of course, Pakistan attacked as turmoil things up. And the problem where is the elephant in the room, मुझे लग रहा है the recession risk. Recession risk मेरे हिसाब से remains significantly high, and I think we are in a recessionary cycle. Very likely we are in the second phase, but ये जो cycle है ये extraordinary cycle रहा है so far. It has been very long each leg. तो second ये जो crash leg, I think it could be long also. So we can't take it on the face value right now. Yeah, market is going up. I'm buying stock, but I am also at the same time cautious, more balanced. And I express that in terms of how much risk I'm taking, in terms of positioning, as well as different asset class, which pose different level of risk. Now, under the risk master, we take a reading note of the long term, that is on the weekly chart, which is more mid-term, and more important for us is the daily reading. And daily reading some asset class के ऊपर risk बढ़ते जा रहा है, that is notable. It is no longer green. थोड़ा trace back करके देखते हैं last few 1 week का movement, where how have we been. So we are doing some replays. We were green here, so I just want to see from which point we are starting to turn a bit. So India was highly risky, more on the side because of this Pakistan attack, but India I think now much safer. But overall asset class के ऊपर risk बढ़ते जा रहा है. From around I think around this point last week, gradually risk has gone up in the daily time frame for equity asset class. In this kind of environment, अगर फिर से टर्न अराउंड हो गया, निफ्टी बढ़ेगा, but it will be more slower progress. So that is what the level of risk me master help us understand how the movement. So we are not bothered about small correction. If Nifty stays broadly green and the overall asset class is a warning. फॉरवर्ड रिस्क मेजर, दिस इज आने वाले दिन में लग रहा है कि रिस्क बढ़ते जा रहा है आने वाले दिन का. सो रिस्क बढ़ रहा है मतलब रिस्क एडजस्टेड रिटर्न कम होता है, तो इक्विटीज टेंड टू सफर जब रिस्क बढ़ता है. और फाइनली हम लोग इसको 125 मिनट्स चार्ट में देखेंगे. इंडिया इज गुड, वी आर प्रीटी सॉलिड राइट नाउ, बट ओवरऑल एसेट क्लास के ऊपर रिस्क सिग्निफिकेंटली गॉन अप. ऑफ कोर्स ट्रम्प्स टैरिफ threat on European Union, on China, significant trade adjustments, supply route adjustments are creating turmoil. So in the very near term, asset class के ऊपर, not exactly India, but asset class के ऊपर risk काफी बढ़ चुका है. So this week we will keep a watch on this, whether risk is growing and infecting the higher time frame, or is it now more contained, now more falling. Then we can see some aggressive more up move on the equity. तो नेक्स्ट क्या करेंगे हम लोग, रिस्क मास्टर को स्विच ऑफ करेंगे एंड हाइड कर लेंगे लाइन चार्ट को, बिकॉज आई एम गोइंग टू अप्लाई माय एसेट मास्टर. And asset master are specialized candle charts. It is best applied without any other chart intervention. Only I'll recommend if one wants to, then maybe Nifty, only the line chart is good enough. You don't apply candle with the rainbow. So here we are, it's going good overall. If we have again a short-term buy signal that's on the Nifty. So gradually as a wave की तरह चलते जा रहा है. आई होप करेक्शन में आप ना फंसे हुए कि बिगर पिक्चर देखने की कोशिश करें. नाउ वी आर मूविंग टू द डेली चार्ट. डेली चार्ट एंड वीकली चार्ट, दिस आई गिव मच बिगर कंसिडरेशन. नाउ इन द डेली चार्ट वी आर क्लोज टू द माउंटेन टॉप. तो यहाँ पे रेजिस्टेंस मैं एक्सपेक्ट ही करूंगा, और रेजिस्टेंस से नहीं, स्ट्रॉन्ग रेजिस्टेंस. तो हो सके निफ्टी ऊपर, जैसे रिस्क बढ़ते जा रहा है along with the risk master, if, as you have seen कि overall asset class, that means Nifty can consolidate. और consolidate का मजा है that consolidate में if you are holding the strong stocks, they will tend to go up, whereas overall index is not growing. So growing during the consolidation is a very important factor for outperforming. So daily, and now we'll move to the little bit of weekly chart of Nifty, and उसके बाद हम लोग other charts को देखेंगे. This is the so far so good, so far very strong, and the way the base has formed, मुझे नहीं लग रहा है कि too much risk है. I don't see Nifty as time for the bears running out after 16th of June. I think it will remain either consolidated or bullish buyers. There are reason to believe that. Now we'll take a look at more stock specific, means stock के लिए हम लोग फॉलो करते हैं निफ्टी 50 नहीं, निफ्टी 500 का चार्ट. और इसमें मैं अपना फाउंटेन ऑफ गोल्ड यानी मदर सेटअप इस्तेमाल करूंगा. नीचे का सेक्टोरल चार्ट आई डोंट नीड. Nifty 500 comeback also has been pretty strong, so some of the Indian stock I expect to outperform. And even if Nifty goes for a consolidation, हो सके हुई recession cycle हो और stocks may get hard, but India can outperform. Every recession cycle is different than the other. Recession सोचते ही लोगों के दिमाग में COVID crash आता है. It's always not like that. So it's different. If you look at 100 years of cycles, they are different in nature, but some patterns are more common. Now, Nifty 500 is bullish broadly. I want to check out what's going on with the small cap में क्या चल रहा है. Finally, it's showing some strength. much weaker, I'll say much weaker compared to Nifty 500. So I think overall portfolio ka weightage more towards should be on the Nifty 500 stocks right now rather than more micro cap and small cap. And because I'm a bit concerned with the longer term charts, it's not bullish yet, the small cap, whereas Nifty is quite bullish. I'll not say super bullish, I'll say quite bullish Nifty. But compared to that, Nifty 500 or small cap, or if I take a look at say micro cap, it's gonna tell a different story. So I think overall बहुत two small companies पे invest ना करके middle level stable names पे money grow करना will be a much better option. Because the risk pattern, the environment that you are operating has changed. It is not a bullish environment, it's a diverging environment. So diverging environment में सारे के सारे stocks कभी भी अच्छे नहीं करेंगे. You'll have to be picky and choosy. Not everyone can do that, but आपको कोशिश करना पड़ेगा. That's the best try you can give. So overall, I'm bullish, but not aggressively bullish across the sectors or across the market. I'm more compartmental bullish, let's say. I'm closely watching the comeback. I'm aware of the recession cycle. So overall, that's it. And finally, now we are going to take a look at the option. ऑप्शन में क्या चल रहा है? वो ऑप्शन हम लोग खेलते हैं लंबा चार्ट नहीं, छोटे चार्ट में 125 या 75. So 120 पोजिशनल का बात कर रहा हूं, इंट्राडे. आई डोंट प्ले इंट्राडे. ये बार कुछ लोगों को कंफ्यूजन होता है कि मे बी आई डोंट प्ले इंट्राडे. आई हैव नथिंग टू डू विद इंट्राडे स्टाइल ऑफ ट्रेडिंग. I'm only interested in positional trading. Some trade may not work and I square off me on the day, but I'm not an intraday player. So for positional trading, I prefer this time frame or 2 hour we can try. And I will use the option master. And option master may, if I first apply the main setup, it will show me what kind of trades are currently happening. Currently, I can see the bull call spread is recommended as well as bull put spread. So we are a bit off on the aggression side. Now we'll choose credit spread to look at, since what we are doing, we are constantly selling put from almost 12th of May 2025. We are constantly selling puts. क्वांटिटी मैनेज कर रहे हैं विद द सिग्नल. जैसे यहाँ पे स्क्वायर ऑफ के बाद फिर से सिग्नल चालू हुआ, यहाँ पे वन सिग्नल रिमेन स्क्वायर्ड ऑफ. सो दो ट्रेड चल रहा है तीन के जगह. सो ओवरऑल दैट मींस सिस्टम जो बोल रहा है पुट के तरफ, यानी बुलिश के तरफ, मार्केट बुलिश के तरफ. सो बुलिश स्ट्रेटेजीज में मैं देखना चाहूंगा व्हाट्स द सिचुएशन विद द, मतलब मार्केट क्या सजेस्ट कर रहा है. उसके लिए मुझे स्ट्रेटेजी ऑन करना पड़ेगा. लेट मी स्विच ऑन द स्ट्रेटेजी. और मुझे एक्सपायरी ठीक करने चाहिए, which is 26th is little bit of stretch. So I think 12.5 would be good, could be 5. तो नियर बाय एक्सपायरी को देख रहे हैं. ये करंट है नहीं, उसके बाद वाला एक्सपायरी. एंड expiry month is June. I have chosen 5th of June. And at the money strike choose करना पड़ेगा. Nifty is 25,000. So let me put 25,000. And let me select Nifty. वो दो रीडिंग लेंगे 125 मिनट्स एंड 30 मिनट्स 125 मिनट्स सजेस्ट किया जा रहा है मोर बुल कॉल स्प्रेड बुल पुट स्प्रेड हाउएवर बियर पुट लैडर भी है मतलब मोर शॉर्ट टर्म रेंजेस जो बियर ट्रेड्स वो भी मनी मैनेजर्स के अंडर द स्कैनर्स हैं those kind of trades are preferred at the moment और बेटर रीडिंग के लिए हम लोग थोड़ा 30 मिनट्स को देखें 30 मिनट्स इज क्वाइट बुलिश सिमिलर बुल कॉल स्प्रेड हाईलाइट हो रहा है फॉर नेक्स्ट टू नेक्स्ट एक्सपायरी बुल पुट स्प्रेड एंड बियर पुट लैडर सो जो बियरिश मूव होगा दोज विल बी मोर रेंजिश वेरी रेंज बाउंड whereas bullish moves are likely to be more on the aggressive side ये मीटर आप तभी देख पाएंगे when you select options select strategy on select vertical spread आपको अगर कुछ अलग सिलेक्ट करना है लाइक इनकम स्ट्रेटेजी short straddle strangle these you can check as well so that's all friends thank you so much for watching my video all the best from my side to your trading and as always happy trading